Good morning, Assessor. My name is Julius Marcelian. I will demonstrate to assist the patient how to use assistive devices. Definition: this device provides support and stability while walking. Then the purpose is mobility, support, and balance. First, I wash my hand, wear my gloves. Then I will prepare the materials such as cane, crutches, and walker. First, the cane. To use this cane, next, use this cane for ascending, descending. Next is crutches. Proper body mechanics, then tripod position, 2-point gate. Next is 3-point gate, proper body mechanics, tripod position, then next is proper body mechanic, tripod position, 4-point gate. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Proper body mechanics, tripod position, swing toe. Proper body mechanics, tripod position, swing throw. Okay. Next is ascending, descending, use crutches. First, next is walker. Proper body mechanics. Then I do aftercare. I remove my gloves, so I wash my hand and sanitize. Then I will document it to my care plan using assistive devices. Done.